Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily sign in to your Prime Video application. First of all, launch open the Prime Video app on your device, and once you get to the home page of Prime Video or the login page, go ahead and click on the sign in button from the top and enter your email address or your mobile phone number in the text box. Right after you type in your credential, click on continue. On the next page, enter your password for your Amazon account. If you don't remember your password, click on the forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. Finally, after entering your credentials, click on sign in. Soon after you do that, you will be logged into your account. Now select your profile and you can now easily watch your favorite show or movie on Prime Video. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.